Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be exploring the accounts and context module in Aasaan ERP Lite. So basically, the accounts module will help you manage all your vendors, your suppliers, your customers, your employees, all in one place. So the first key benefit is it is centralized, and second of all, you can easily and very efficiently communicate with your clients or your vendors directly from here. As you can see, there is the WhatsApp button, the call button, and direct email button and everything. So you can easily contact them directly from the accounts module. And third of all, financially it becomes very helpful to track everything, because all the other modules are linked with this account. So basically, if you want to make a bill, you can make a bill in respect against this account. So that's how you can easily keep track of who did you make a bill of and what amount you have due for that certain account and stuff. So basically it becomes very easy and efficient for the businesses to use it, and also it helps you maintain every record easily. So basically, first of all, I'll show you how to create an account. So first of all, we'll just go to the plus button and then click on it. So as the page loads, you can see the form in front of you where you need to fill the name of the account, suppose a test account. And then there is parent account. Parent account is basically if you already have an account created and then you want to create subsidiaries of that certain account, then you will select that account which you already have created as a parent account, then make the subsidiary account just by giving a name and stuff. And then you can give the phone number, website, and what kind of account you're creating. Are they your competitor, your customer, client, or anything else? Just create a customer account for now, and then you can assign your customer to someone if you need directly from here. You can give an opening balance year and everything. You can also put their billing address, shipping address. This, when you put it here, once you create a bill, it will directly be populated in that certain bill. You just have to select the account in the bill, and then you just click on submit. So now it's submitted. So now you can see all the details you have entered directly from here. Also, you can upload any documents if you have against that certain account directly from here, or you can edit if you made any mistake, or take out a print, or you can go back to the list. So now if we are back to the list, then you can see the account has been added with that name. And here there are some other buttons like add list of account. Like together you can add lots of account, and there is a import button. You can also import many accounts together using an Excel sheet. Then there is the filter button, using which you can filter out whichever account you want to look for. And there is the report button where you can generate a report of all the accounts you have. You can also combine it with the filter button and do it. And there is the trash can where you will see all your deleted accounts if you delete it from here. So that's it for the accounts. Now we'll go to the context module. So now we are at the context module where you can add multiple contexts with respect to a certain account. Like if I give you a real life example, suppose you have a contact with certain company and you meet the manager of that company or their employees or anyone else, right? So you want to add multiple point of contact in the system. So you can do it from here. Like you just have to click on the plus button. Once you do that, the form will load up where you have to enter whoever you met. Like I just Karan is the name of the person who you met, and which company is he from, like Karma or Karam Private Limited or anything. The account which you have already added previously, and then give any designation like a manager if he is a manager or anything as per your requirement. Then any phone number, like phone, and then just click on the submit button, and now it's submitted. You can see all the details there you have filled. From here you can upload any document if necessary. In respect to this contact, you can print it, edit if necessary, and changes you want to make. Then you can just go back to the list and you will see the contact you have just added. So this is very helpful if you have multiple points of contact for your certain company or certain account that you have already added. And this is how you will manage all your contacts in this module. Also you can generate reports, also upload multiple contexts at the same time using the Excel sheet, or filter out anything you want to search for. And also you can combine this filter with the report and generate certain reports you want. And that's it for the context module. I hope you all understood what I was trying to explain, and if you have any doubts or any confusions, leave it out in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe the channel.